Alright, what's up? It's your boy, the Knologist. We're going to do the question, keyboard row. It's a weird name for a question. Alright, we got the QWERTY keyboard here on the screen, given an array of strings, words. Return the word that could be typed using the letters of the alphabet only on one row of the American keyboard. Okay. Oh, return the words that could be typed. Okay. So let's do this. Okay, it counts upper and lowercase. So 1 second, I'm gonna wash them. Okay. Let's solve. So, given the words on one row. Fuck, why did I open RuneScape? Let's see. Row 1, 2, 3. Example 1. OMK. Okay, so it's row 1, 2, 3. Can I lowercase everything? Python is built-in .lower. Python Playground. It's my go-to. Dog. Okay, so it does it automatically. Then I want to go turn everything to lowercase. It's gonna be O of n anyways. Okay, so now it doesn't hurt. Words I equals words I lower. Everything's lowered. Okay, so now it's all lowercase. The only thing I'm confused about is if you can have, okay, so for example, Alaska, hello is ELLO, no, Alaska, dad, peace. But what if you had words that were in different arrays. So for this example, it's in row 2. Everything's in row 2. Right, but everything in one row could also be, if you had like top, right? For example, if you had the word top, that would be all in row 1, T-O-P. Would that then be added to this list? Only one row. Okay. This is going to be a really rudimentary way to solve it, so I'm going to put final here. I'm also going to use a bunch of for loops to solve this. So basically I turn everything to lowercase. I'm going to go through each row, create a for loop for each row, use all the words. Right? If I can do that, then I will add those rows to a final array, and then go through each item in the final array and capitalize the first element to return them. It's not perfect, but it works. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I just thought of something so fucking amazing. Am I a genius? Am I a fucking genius? Okay, let me try this. Maybe we could use sets. Sets to, so for example, a string is already a list. DOG. So it turns that into a set. G. Doggy. Okay, so this is what I could do. I could turn all these into sets. And then check if they intersect. Okay, so let's try that. So next thing I want to do is I want to take turn them all to lowercase. Just want to check on what's happening now. Okay, so now everything's in lowercase like I want it to be. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn this into an array called rows. One, two, three. That way we have something to iterate over. We don't have to do it in 3 individual arrays. We could just iterate. Sets let's call it row match. Matches everything in the row, okay, add it. Matches everything in the row, okay, add it. So what I'll do here is take this rows. So I want to be able to see my outputs and trace what's going wrong as I go and correct accordingly. This is my inputs or rows. So first I make everything lowercase. So this becomes this, and I print that. And I print an empty string so I could separate the output. The next step is next thing I want to check if the set is equal to intersects with this. So for example, dad print these are all unique, so this will fit into a set nicely. So set rows rows 1 and set words, let's go words, this will be 1, 2, 3. AD. So outputs things that are common. But what I want to figure out is if it is, for example, Alaska could be reduced to ALK, ALSK, ALSK, which is in row 2. ASKL, right? So this should be here too. How do I turn this into a true? So for example, if I take Alaska, word 1, it's gonna be ALSK or some shit. Let's see, ASKL, yeah. So I can go set, compare set to row 1. Compare the next word, the set of the next word to row 1. Compare the set of the next word to the row 1. And then I can take the output and see if it's completely in row 1. So set compared to row 1, set compared to row 1, set compared to row 1. So I'm going to compare every word. So go to each set and compare all the words. So yeah, final can stay as is. So for range I 0, 2, len rows, and then for j in range I'm curious about something else. Can we do a whole word check? or if I do a set, right? Let's comment this because I don't want to lose it.